In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin emails in Outlook. Pinning is a really handy way to keep your most important messages right at the top of your inbox, so you don't lose track of them as new emails come in. Let's start from your main Outlook inbox view. Look through your list of emails and find one that you want to keep visible at all times. This might be a message with meeting details, a to-do item, a document you're waiting on, or anything you know you'll need to come back to later. Once you've found that email, look over to the far right side of that message row. You should see a small pin icon. Depending on your version of Outlook, it might be faint or only appear when you hover your mouse over the email. Move your cursor toward the right end of the email, and when you see the pin icon, click it. As soon as you click that pin, Outlook will move that email to the very top of your inbox. It will now sit in a special pinned area above the rest of your messages. You'll also notice that the pin icon changes appearance, usually becoming solid or filled in, which indicates that the message is currently pinned. Pinned emails will stay at the top of your inbox even as new emails arrive. This is extremely useful if you get a lot of messages during the day and you don't want your important ones to get buried. You can pin multiple emails if you like, and Outlook will group them together at the top, letting you quickly see everything you've marked as important. If at any point you decide that an email no longer needs to be pinned, you can easily unpin it. Just go back to that same email, move your mouse to the right-hand side again, and click the pin icon once more. The icon should return to its original unpinned state, and the email will drop back down into its normal position in your inbox, based on the date and time it was received. Using pins in Outlook is a simple but powerful way to manage your attention and keep key information in sight. Try pinning a few of your most important emails today, and you'll quickly see how much easier it becomes to stay organized and on top of your messages.